Everyone wants lower electric bills, but with confusing advice online that barely moves the needle, it's hard to know what actually works. So, today we're breaking down 7 practical, easy, and proven ways to save electricity and money at home. And don't worry, we're not talking about extreme lifestyle changes or telling you to live in the dark. Let's get into it. Tip 7. Use smart thermostat settings. According to the US Department of Energy, adjusting your thermostat by just 7 to 10 degrees for 8 hours a day can save up to 10% per year on heating and cooling costs. That doesn't mean freezing in the winter or sweating all summer. It means setting schedules so that your system runs less while you're asleep or away. Using eco or setback modes if you have them. Avoid heating or cooling an empty home. Small timing changes can make a noticeable difference in your bill. Tip 6. Kill phantom energy use. Even when devices are off, many still draw power. I'm talking about TVs, gaming consoles, cable boxes, and computer chargers. This standby power can account for 5 to 10% of a home's electricity use. Using smart power strips or unplugging unused devices can quietly cut electricity without changing how you live. Tip 5. Wash smarter. Hot water and dryers are energy hogs. According to Energy Star, 90% of the energy used by washing machines actually goes towards heating the water, not towards the spinning. Switching from hot to cold water can cut a wash load's energy use in half. And washing in cold water eliminates most of the water heating energy altogether. And air drying, when possible, can significantly reduce electricity use without affecting cleaning performance. So, it's a win-win. Tip 4. Use window ACs more efficiently. Window air conditioners are extremely common in cities like New York, and they're a big driver of summer electricity bills. The US Department of Energy says that running a window AC unit at a steady, moderate temperature actually uses less energy than constantly turning it on and off. Adopting a few simple habits can noticeably lower usage, especially in the summer months. Use eco or energy saver mode if available. Make sure the unit is properly sealed in the window. Clean filters regularly to ensure that airflow isn't restricted. Tip 3. Replace old light bulbs with LEDs. Lighting still accounts for a noticeable chunk of household electricity use, especially in homes with older bulbs. LED lights use at least 75% less energy and last up to 25 times longer than incandescent bulbs. A traditional incandescent bulb might cost less upfront, but replacing it frequently and using more electricity adds up fast. LEDs cost more initially, but over their lifetime, they're significantly cheaper and require far fewer replacements. Tip 2. Generate your own power with solar. Solar panels allow homeowners to produce their own electricity, reducing how much they purchase from the utility each month. Across the US, state incentives help offset upfront costs, and net metering policies allow homeowners to earn extra credits for electricity sent back to the grid. In fact, in New York City, stacked incentives can cover up to about 55% of the system cost for those who qualify. Solar doesn't require changing how you live. It simply replaces expensive electricity from your utility with power from your own roof. Tip 1. Improve insulation and seal air leaks. One of the most overlooked ways to save electricity is by making sure that your home isn't leaking air. According to the US Department of Energy, improving air leaks and sealing insulation can reduce heating and cooling costs by up to 15%. That includes gaps around windows and doors, attics and basements, poorly insulated walls in older homes. If heated or cooled air is escaping, you're paying to heat the outdoors. So, saving electricity isn't about doing one extreme thing. It's about stacking smart choices. Small changes like efficient lighting, better AC habits, and sealing leaks add up. And bigger moves like going solar can help create long-term savings and predictable energy costs. So here's the question. Which one do you think could make the biggest difference in your home? I'll be reading your comments. See you next time.